being educated on M&A is super important, whether you're deciding to participate in the market or not. Several reasons for that. One is that you're in this business. This is happening around you. It's happening to your competitors. Your clients are going to be seeing it. And so you need to know where you want to compete in this space. And even though it might not be part of your plan, it could be part of your plan. And as you're trying to plan for your enduring firms, you want to make sure that you're staying on top of market trends and making sure that you're being the most competitive, well-run business that you can be as you execute your strategy.